What's going on, everyone on YouTube? My name is Chezzy, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, I'm gonna be breaking down everything related to business and also related to showing you how I become a successful YouTuber. With every video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps. Okay, so how you can win on YouTube, this brand new year. That's it. Let's jump right into it. Okay. Before we really get started, I know some of you really probably be thinking about, I recognize this voice, I've heard this guy, I've seen this guy, and that's because I actually run multiple YouTube channels, okay? So from point to point, and I manage like 5 successful YouTube channels, and they grow consistently. Finally, it's time for me to break everything down and teach you, okay? And teach you guys how you can achieve the same kind of success. All right, so my real name is Chezzy, and across many different channels, one of the most common question I get to ask is, how do I become a YouTuber? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily become a YouTuber, so you can grow so fast, become successful in 2026. All right, so if you've ever thought about becoming a YouTuber or felt discouraged or overwhelmed, this video is going to make you feel motivated. Okay, so back then, growing on YouTube is actually way simpler. Before, if you want to grow on YouTube, it's way simpler. Some of you that know me at that time, I was dropping music videos, so it wasn't the smartest financially because I was spending a lot of money doing the music videos, so that wasn't a good niche when you want to start. Okay, so I was just dropping music video, and they cost so much. Music video cost a lot of money, so at that time it cost a lot of energy, time, and I was just starting YouTube, I was burning out. So I now thought about something smart I should do, so I now decided to do the viral dumps, started to come up with this YouTube business. So I decided to, okay, let me just switch. So I started doing this viral dump, getting videos from TikTok viral videos actually blew up, so I was still doing that at that time, uploading gaming videos and also uploading that one, and that one actually blew up. So I've always been a fan of music, I've always been a fan of game, I've always been a fan of God of War. I was making God of War videos and I was posting, so trying out new things, and till I figured out, oh, this is the method, this is the pattern that's going to blow on YouTube. Because I was just like what all of you, I'm not a guru, I'm just like all of you, searching for answers, going around searching for answers, till I stumbled about YouTube automation. So one of my earlier videos that I did, it hit like 100 views in a month. YouTube will humble you. YouTube isn't like TikTok that once you post, the algorithm goes so fast. YouTube will humble you. So I had like 0 subscribers, 100 videos, and no promotion at all. And that's how that's got me stuck. But that moment, and now, people started coming up, subscribers, views, people started watching my content. So I kept on posting some videos at that time. Some didn't do well, but one video completely changed everything at that time, because that video actually hit and it got like 300,000 views. And after that, I never stopped uploading. Okay, I was just uploading back to back. Every time I have the chance, I will just upload. Okay, so I genuinely enjoyed doing what I could. There are many people, and that's really teaching people about YouTube. And YouTube is all about uploading videos and doing what you want to do. So if you want to be a YouTuber, you can start now. Tell your friends, tell your family. You can share this video and let them know. And also, you can reach out to me to also put you through on YouTube. Okay, so you can reach out to me on my DM, direct messages, or you're trying to contact me and I'll teach you about YouTube. So it's good for you to start YouTube in 2026. YouTube is something that can give you financial freedom, and if you have the mindset, you can also blow up on YouTube. This is the plug that I got for the subscribers, 100,000 subscribers. So there's always a room for one new person to actually start on YouTube. So if you love something, you want to talk, you want to play video games, you want to talk to an audience, you can just do that and post on YouTube. Okay, so some of you already have tried YouTube and got stuck. You weren't getting views, things were just moving too slow. Don't worry, right? That's exactly what this channel is here to help you. So I'm here to help you, and that's why I am always here to help you, and I'm going to help you. Okay, so now let's talk about equipment. Okay, a lot of you think you need equipment for YouTube, you need expensive cameras, you need microphones, you need editing software, you need to pay for this, pay for that. That's not true at all. Okay, I started YouTube channel with just an old iPhone with an old laptop, and also the laptop was old, an old HP laptop. Okay, so I just started recording myself. I started posting my music, started transferring them to my phone, transfer them to my HP laptop, to CapCut, import them to CapCut, record, and do some voiceovers. And that was how I was actually working at that time. Then I'll take my phone and I'll take my phone and record and download them on my PC, and that's how I was able to join them up, cook them up on YouTube, and that's how I was going. So you don't need any fancy equipment, you don't need setup, you don't need anything, and just need to just start, and who knows, what you do can just hit 1 million views. So just trust me, you don't need any fancy gears to start, you don't need anything. You've been waiting for the perfect time to start is now, so stop waiting and just start now, and just start that YouTube channel that you want to start. So if someone told me many years ago that I'll be running multiple YouTube channels, I wouldn't believe that it's bringing in so many subscribers and millions of subscribers. I won't believe, but here we are today. So I encourage you to start YouTube, and YouTube is something you should start, and put your mind to it, put your body to it, and you're gonna do good on YouTube. Okay, so I didn't take it serious back then. Just imagine back then we started uploading brain videos. Just imagine I started uploading brain videos when brain videos was going. Now it's AI era, so you should jump on YouTube. The sooner you start, the faster you reach your goals, the faster you reach your result, the faster you reach where you're going. So to start YouTube, like I told you, look at this 200,000 subscribe plugs that I got from YouTube. I'm not any guru. I'm just a guy that that puts in the work and respects money and reinvests back on YouTube. So I'm not here to tell you to sign up for anything. Just you can watch my videos and you can learn a lot, because I'll be dropping free games on YouTube here, straight to the point. So you can think about it before you think about buying any camera, downloading any editing software, or trying to figure out your niche. Just try and figure out your niche first. So once you do that, there are 3 things you need and you have to do. You have to be consistent, you have to have confidence, you have to have patience. So you have to be consistent. Patience, consistency, and confidence is what you need. So when I made my first video, I acted like I was talking to millions of people. Even when I did my music video shoot, I did like I said I was talking to millions of people that had this audience, that are watching me, because you have to act like the world is watching, because actually the world is watching. So I was recording on my phone. I was showing up with confidence. I was showing up with patience and consistency, and eventually the audience showed up. And always act like the world is watching, like I told you, because the world is watching. You don't know who is watching, you don't know who is looking at you, so you just have to be consistent. So patience is just as important. Not every video will blow up. I just want you to know that not every video is going to blow up overnight, but some will and some will not. That is part of the game on YouTube, so that is okay on YouTube. That doesn't mean you should punish yourself or trying to beat yourself because you have low views. One video can do the click. So and finally, you just have to be consistent. Like I said, when I was working, I was doing some jobs to get by, and I was doing YouTube as well, because I had to put all my focus, all my energy on YouTube. I was like, this YouTube is something that's going to really change the game for me. So I try and upload every day. Even if I did not meet up, I try and schedule to upload every day. So you should also try and schedule to the time. If you cannot upload every day, try and have some time and schedule the time you have to upload, so you can also reach your goal. So you have to also master patience. Like I told you, these 3 things is what you need on YouTube: patience, confidence, and YouTube will print. So, and also you have to look at the thumbnail, then before you get monetized, and you need to know. So I'll be announcing that in the future, to give you more features about the thumbnail and everything, and drop more methods. So in this video, like I told you, this is just an introduction that I'm dropping to just let you all know inviting you all to come to YouTube, because YouTube is the oil rich right now. So if you're interested in making money on YouTube, or if you're interested in what methods in dropping gems on YouTube, so subscribe to my channel and I'll be dropping the free game. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and you also enjoyed my little story. Okay, and I hope these little tips was also helpful, and I wish nothing but success for you moving forward, and we stay locked in and steady rocking and steady locked in the game. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is ChezzyBenny, as you already know. Peace.